What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you've probably seen me using this cart and this chop saw to do any of my metal prep. This was actually not made for that. I made this cart in my old shop and it held all my paints and cans and stuff like that. So in this video, I'm gonna build a dedicated cart to hold my chop saw, my grinders, and all of my metalworking tools. Check it out. guys so much for tuning in. This has been an awesome build. I am pumped to have one of these in my shop. As you've seen in my Instagram feed, I have made a few of these bad boys, and the reason behind that is I've partnered up with FEIN Tools for this build, and you can see a lot of their tools featured on this cart. And what we're doing is giving one of these away at FabTECH in November. Super pumped for that. I'll have more details down below for you guys, but make sure you're following FEIN on Instagram, Facebook, and if you want more info, checking out their website. They will be down there with one of these carts, giving it away to you guys with some of their tools. Awesome opportunity to get your hands on some really, really quality tools. I've loved having them in my shop. They've made me a better builder, and I'm pumped that we get to work together and get them in some of your guys' hands. I will also be down there at FabTECH, and I will have more information as we get closer to the date on where I'm gonna be and how we can meet up and hang out and stuff. Super excited for that. Make sure you guys are leaving comments and hit me up on Instagram if you're gonna be going down there as well. Besides that, if you like what I'm doing, hit that thumbs up button. I'd love to have you subscribe, and make sure you're checking out my blog, johnmalecki.com. I'm doing write-ups and stuff and on more of the tools and the features on what's used in all of my builds, trying to put out as much content as I possibly can for you guys. Besides that, I really, really do want to thank all of you for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video.